Hi, my name is Divyanga. I'm giving feedback for robotics online classes level 2. I learned lots of things in the course, but these are the things which I like the most. First are these two components which I really liked are the LCD and the IR remote. The LCD is used to print out text and images, text on to the screen in which it has, and the IR remote is used to send messages or send which buttons are clicked on the remote. Now the main part why I like this session a lot is because of the text programming. It was really awesome because I learned how to do everything like setup, put the variables, and other special things which were used to make the parts work properly. Thank you.